Hello curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. I haven't said that in a very long time. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome, and if you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. So this video is going to be basically about why I've been away for a while and just kind of updating you a bit on what my channel is going to be doing, what you're going to expect from my channel and from me from here going forward. So stay tuned. First things first, if the lighting situation looks a bit weird, please forgive me, because it's been a while since I filmed, and like the settings on my camera, my lighting and everything, like I haven't done this in a while, so please forgive me. Okay. Secondly, I've been away. I have been away. Why, Mary? Why have you been away? So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that around November, so basically this time last year, I went through a bit of a depressive period. I will link that video up here for you so you can have a watch and see what that was all about. Basically, whenever I go through a period of time like that, it's a time when I start reflecting and then I start thinking about what's making me unhappy and which direction to go in. So I think I did make a video earlier on this year just explaining that one of the things that was affecting me the most was finances, and so I got a new job which started in January. This job I am so grateful for. However, the training period was pretty intense, and I had to basically do some time actually on the job, and then when I came home rather, I needed to write reports, and that was really difficult. It was a new field for me. It's in the field of property, and so I had to learn stuff from scratch basically, and that was really time consuming, so that affected my filming, my channel, and of course I was still kind of coming out of that depressive period, so I was just trying to balance myself as well as balance my new job. When it kind of hit spring and summer, that's the busiest period for my work, my new job, and things just got a bit crazy. I was only working maybe 4 days a week, but the extra time outside of work that I was dedicating to my work became more and more, and I was kind of sort of taking care of myself less and less. I was maintaining a basic level of maintaining myself, but sort of being able to have time to wash my hair and film it and then edit videos and all of that stuff, it became increasingly more and more difficult to do that. So basically it ended up kind of my channel ended up falling by the wayside. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry that I kind of just disappeared on you, but I'm back to try and explain what happened. I kind of had to put my financial situation first, and there are also some things that I want to plan to do for myself and my life within the next year or two, which you guys will find out about a bit more when these things arrive. In the meantime, I just had to kind of make a decision temporarily that I had to focus on my work and on earning first, and that I would be able to dedicate time back to my channel later on. So basically what I'm going to try to do from here going forward is to film and to upload videos once a week to the best of my ability. Towards the end of last year or early this year, at some point I did launch a Patreon page where you guys could contribute towards my page, and I know that some people did actually sign up to my Patreon, and then I haven't been basically doing the videos that I said I would do. I did buy the products and I still do plan to do those videos, but if you did sign up to my Patreon, I have issued refunds to everybody who contributed towards my channel, and I'm planning to shut it down because I just don't really want to run my Patreon page anymore. Maybe I might restart it in the future, who knows, but for the time being I feel like my other job that I'm doing is giving me enough income that I can actually do the video reviews and buy products and stuff that I want to buy. So that's basically that. So yeah guys, I'm sorry that I've been away. I have been popping in now and then, and sometimes randomly put a little post on my page saying, oh hi, like I'm still alive. And over the past month, if you've been following my Instagram, I did take a almost month-long trip to New York, which leads me on to my next point, which is what are you going to expect to come next from my channel. So I have been vlogging. I don't know how great my vlogging skills are, but I had a really good time vlogging on my trip. So I'm gonna come out with, I think maybe 2, maybe 3, we'll see, 2 or 3 vlogs, just showing kind of what I got up to in the States. I did a whole road trip and everything. And also I'm going to be showing you some changes that I made to my hair, because if you didn't know before, I did shave the side of my head. There's going to be a video about that too. And also back in August or September, I did film my 4-year natural hair update. So I just need to get that edited and put out for you guys, but I did do it and I did the whole length check and everything. You should definitely look out for that. Another thing I forgot to mention is that I actually had an ear operation. I think I should mention this to you guys, because you guys who have been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I had a keloid on the back of my ear, on this ear, and you can see it in some of my tutorials, and I got that removed. If you would like me to do a video about that, let me know. I think maybe somebody might be interested in finding out what my whole keloid removal experience was like. So let me know and comment below in the comments and let me know if that's something that you would like me to do. So I'm planning for the best that I can to just restart uploading videos on my YouTube. I have actually really missed the interaction and stuff that I get from my YouTube channel, and I am actually excited to be back. So thank you for hanging in there with me. We are actually approaching 50k on this channel, which I am very, very pleased about. Thank you for all your support and love, and I am going to try to do a giveaway at 50k, so stay tuned for that too. Thank you so much for your continued support of my channel, and I'm going to do my best to basically bring you the best natural hair, lifestyle and beauty content that I can towards the end of 2018 and going into 2019, so stay tuned. So as always, wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care.